Salute give you where they look me koro and they hear me whine. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And they tell you welcome to the Ogbonge Politic Discussion Show on top of Wazobia TV as it is hot. This na the only program for the whole obodo the world when they discuss the matter as it take concern you and me wey be Nigerian citizen and give you license to talk am as it dey be you for body. The one wey we carry come today when be 10 days to the election. Now something when we say it is very, very important. And we get a person when we say he sabi well. He go join us, sit down with us to educate and enlighten. Because also na then sabi pass, and then go talk about the matter. We go just dey ask them questions. But first, we want check some kind of things wey happen inside this obodo Nigeria. They say on the 13th of March, now hot story when they come out, say we Oga Presido, Oga Jonah, say he somehow, you know, under the cover of darkness, follow backyard, enter the house of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Remember, say Alhaji Atiku Abubakar na former vice president of Nigeria and a strong man of APC. They say this meeting when they do, say they talk well from night, enter early momo. Till today, we never hear wetin dem talk. Atiku Abubakar never come out, can't talk fully. And Oga Presido too never come out, can't talk fully. But you get another thing when can happen after that one. They talk say some kind of people when be say there be strong supporters of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar for inside southwest area, that's southwest area for Nigeria. Say dem come out, can't talk, say they don't check the thing or somehow. It can't be like say Oga Jonah, na him go fit move this country forward. Now the question we want ask now be say if they throw away support give Oga Jonah 10 days to election after all the whole paro wey we don dey do since. We want check whether this thing and a good mind or whether somehow monkey hand dey inside the soup. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi and I know dey alone inside studio as usual. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e dey concern the matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our wonderful and beautiful viewers, and welcome to another edition of As E Dey Hot. Chukwudi don introduce them, he don open ground, he don pour water, introduce the subject. So now wetin we go look into today. As usual, that time will also come when we also open our phone lines open for now to call and also chook mouth for the matter of today. And as usual, I will not also forget, see, we get 3 strong phone line for now. When our feet do it, when our feet try out, they call us so that at least our feet reach us, also chook mouth for the matter. And apart from that, look, we also tell us, say, we get toll-free line. Toll-free line. And what be toll-free line? Toll-free line, you say, una go dey call, una go dey talk. Every Nigerian go dey hear now. That is Nigeria nearly everywhere go they hear now. But the payment will come now from our pocket. Now to tell them how that is the kind of love we will get for now when they watch us. My name never changed. My name now Unkubi and this now as it is hot.
Yes, we did on top of Facebook too. Go to Wazobia fan page, like her. Anywhere where you see our thread, comment on top to Chukmat for on top of the matter. We did on top of Twitter too, at TV as City Hot. And as soon Kubi don't talk and telephone lines there. What you need to do now to save them and also share them with your friends them so that you go to call us the Chukmat for on top of this matter. Unkubi here, if no be say I get cold and it be like say my voice, it don't crack. I for begin to sing song when we say people they sing when them born again. You understand? I surrender. Now wait for the sing. If no be the way my voice don't dey. Now the song when I for the sing with that. And you know why I go to sing that song? I go to sing that song because of say people when they loyal. You understand? Atiku Abubakar Associates and People's Democratic Movement for Southwest Nigeria. 2 strong pillars of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, former vice president of Nigeria and strong man of APC. Don't come out, throw away support, give Oga Jonah. They don't say they don't reason this matter and they know say the person when go be carry this country go forward now Oga Jonah. Now when these people don't turn born again, me and you no suppose even do this show again. They even they talk say make we go from when they go. Just come sit down near me now. Make we just they celebrate because this country don't they move forward and these people don't come and come support Oga Jonah. Hey! Which laugh you they laugh like this?
Hey, Chikudi, how many times I say hey? 3 times.
Now 2 times you say hey, don't be 3 times.
3 times.
Now 2 times you say hey.
You know they shame.
Now 2 times you say hey.
You know they
if you don't
shame.
remember when you say hey, now
You
you
know they
say
shame
the next thing when you want to not correct.
Wait, to come tell Nigerians here, say, look, say everything done better. Say, in fact, the fact say supporters of Oga this thing, Oga Atiku don't come and say no. With the way things, people say, Jonah. In fact, Jonah get the right resources to make things change. So we don't see him. As if we don't know who Atiku be.
You say waiting.
As if we don't know who Atiku be.
Hey,
Sorry to say this,
Unkubi, you there? Hey!
Make we also tell ourselves some good people. Make we also see, if not true, say this is not so it be. Oga Atiku wey be say, okay, right from time, we know him as vice president. Okay, from vice president, he can't do anything. He come out from vice president, can't do the ambitious to become president, but the chance no come. He can't do anything. He can't switch over to the opposition. From the opposition, no, he contest. He don't see result. He can't switch over to waiting to PDP. And PDP, okay, he do. He don't see the result. He can't switch over to opposition. Now, Nigerians, now look at it. Chukudi, now look at it. If this is not true, if what they talk not true, don't they see? It's gradually dancing again to the tune of what we go call am.
Unkubi.
You know people wey want our interest, I be people wey say na their own personal pocket they want.
Nigeria, una dey hear o.
I dey tell Nigerians the truth. If you want stick to party. No they dance from one party to another. Dance. Even if you say you dance, go ahead, make you come stay there. We understand. See yes, maybe you see something there. But this one where you say you dance from here, dance here, we don't even know where you belong.
Unkubi.
Chukudi.
Na Alhaji Atiku Abubakar.
No.
Strong man for una party. When contest to be president, when still be member of una party, now you come open in this thing for public like this.
I say, if not true, say what
Hey,
you talk.
our people when they for house, we go this revelation don't shock me. We go rush, go break. When we come back, we'll continue this discussion. We dey come back. Still the chairman television station Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195 and the Ogbonge Politic Discussion Show as e dey hot. And waiting with the chook mouth on top and a hot gist when just come out. Say we Oga Presido go visit Alhaji Atiku Abubakar for his house for Abuja and they come do meeting from night reach early momo and they discuss plenty things when we say many of us never hear, many of us never see. And the supporters of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, 2 strong pillars when they support them for Southwest come out, come talk say based on the things when don't happen, they go throw their support give Oga Jonah. I don't want to talk too much. I go try and give Unkubi because he know they confess since. Unkubi, I better continue. Make the whole world they hear you. No, continue. Make the whole world they hear you.
I don't establish my... No, this is what... I want to make you hear me out. I say, if wetin dey talk, if not true, make we still accept.
Wait, if not true, say they do meeting. And if not true, say people when they support them come out.
If not true, say they do meeting, and he don't come accept, say yes. And people could only come they support them. There's every tendency to say, in mind on the shift, go back to that thing.
So therefore, make we no trust una because una they always they shift.
Where he start from?
You say wetin?
Where he start from?
Oh, where in there now?
No, now you want to say we always dey shift now.
You want claim right now.
Now you talk say we always dey shift.
Rotimi Amechi, where he start from? Where in there now?
Yes, he don't come, he stand there, and I hear he dey.
Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, where he start from? Where he there now?
He start from the side.
Where he there now?
Yes, fine. He don't get in platform, and here where he dey. He dey strong for
am.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Atiku Abubakar now, where he there now?
Where he start from?
Where he there now?
Where he start
why
from?
You don't want know where?
Where he start from?
Why you don't want start
no,
from? Where
I
Amechi start? No, where
because
he
me
there?
the state where I admit to my own people where they start from. Where he start from?
Where he there now?
Answer my own. Where he start
He
from?
don't even contest to become president under una platform. Now people where they support and not come and call they support Jonah.
I no go blame
Wetin the thing mean be say una no dey sure. Unkubi, the whole world don see una. The whole world don see una.
Make we also ask ourselves some good truth.
Ask yourself the truth.
Make we ask ourselves, okay, this meeting wey dem do behind the curtain, wey dem do behind backyard, wey dem do, okay, wetin be the element of this meeting? If na true say the whole meeting, wetin the meeting contain? Wetin and wetin they agree say they go do for themselves?
Ask your man, make him come
Wetin
out.
and wetin our leader don say, okay, say he go offer you this one, so that in the end.
You can't say that. You can't say that.
Chukudi.
You see, it's a fallacious statement for you to talk. Say, Intel say, wait I go offer
what
you.
Be that thing where we say we don't convince Oga Atiku now say to say it. What don't convince her now say yes. So we do now Oga do now say yes. The country will be stable. The country will be strong. It will move forward. That he is working.
Now you go ask him.
It no be self-interest.
Now you go ask him.
No, we dey talk am now.
No be me and you know they talk am.
Me and you dey talk am.
Me and you know they talk am.
I still stand on this. Say if na true, say him don dey try dine with una. Anyway, let's move on.
Nkubi, you see, you know if you run from this matter, God don't catch you today.
Even if I want...
Alhaji Atiku Abubakar get address. You understand? The address there. He get house for Abuja, but you no get. He get. February, Friday, March 13th. Friday when pass. Now March 13th. I be no be March 13th. Now March 13th. Oga President visit am. I be no visit am. He visit am. They discuss. I be they no discuss. They discuss.
I would now see the result of the visit.
Excuse me.
In supporters for Southwest. Don't they say okay? It be like now Jonah will go dey support too. Let's shift over to Jonah because anyway.
After Oga President go visit am on the 13th of February, why he no come out? Today na 18. I hope say you know. Why he no come and talk say okay? The Oga President come visit me on the 13th. This also thing when we discuss. He no talk am. Now he be say Uda, we don't be trust
He
Uda.
dey talk. Why he never talk? Look into the people wey dey support am for Southwest. Okay, no, make na never give him that support because I see they strong with una. Or I think they strong with
Nkubi, you don't expose. I know you don't expose my secret.
I expose now secret.
You don't expose anything. Now you not expose. Now they expose. Nigerians, please, our hands are clean.
Our own hands are clean.
Your hands are not clean.
In fact, our own hands are cleaner.
Your hands are not clean.
It is cleaner. In fact, this one, it is transparent.
Na lie.
Now your own clean.
Eba, don't stay your hand.
No,
Things don't stay your hand. Palm oil don't stay your hand.
Everything,
Soup don't stay your hand.
Everything ungovernable about this country don't stay your hand.
Nkubi, I don't believe.
Oh, what? What is the old there?
No, the old there is because
What is the old there?
You people are doing Nigeria like this.
You people are the most people doing Nigeria like
Now
this.
una they do Nigeria like this.
Now just the dribble or the dribble.
Person say won't become president.
Una be change your culture ni.
Person won't become president for APC. For December, he follow them do primaries. He pay that money, that big money where una collect. You know then una collect money pass. He buy the form, he do everything. Now his supporters don't they come, they talk, say, and they don't think, say, like say, now Oga Jonah. Thank you. I know, say.
After how many shuffling?
Which shuffling?
After switch, after how many shifting from one party to the other? Shifting from one party to the other. Why the thing is, make we also look at why you know they probably may I don't use the word done on people. Okay, fine. Waiting be that thing. Where you get that passion where you get for the country, where you say, okay, because of saying they stand for this political party, that's why they move over to you.
Why you they ask me? Ask them, don't be your people. Ask them, not be your people.
You don't get them for your own place.
Which I get them from my own place.
You don't get them from your own place.
Now when I get
you never see people from here where switch over to my own place.
Because they don't see the lights. But people
because the same way where these other people see the light here, that is why they come.
Which light they see?
They see the light of change.
Which light they see?
They see the light of transformation. They see the light from where we say go give them pure power, where we say steady power supply. Where we say they don't go there for darkness again. They see a lot of things. We go stabilize this country. Now they see.
You know how you they sound. You they sound like wife when we say he husband offend her. As the husband come offend her finish, he can't dey vex for your husband. As he dey vex for your husband,
you never see
the husband come begin.
You never see women who no go send you at all.
Na lie.
Wetin dey talk? You never see women who no go send you, even if they will go about their own activity because of waiting, because then they strong, then they capable.
Nkubi, I bet.
What are you saying?
Nkubi, I bet.
Ask me if you go ask me question wey make sense. So not just Nkubi, if you ask me question wey no gel, I no go. Anyway, why am I?
You don't go one answer now because you don't get answer to the question.
May I listen to your question?
APC do primary for December. I be they no do for December.
Answer that one now.
No, you talk now.
As na do primary, we no know how visible the primary dey.